need one of them there final drives on it there.
Hey Siri, order me an Excavator final drive.
You want to order on a siding knife?
Order me a final drive.
You want to exfoliate one final time?
Order me an Excavator final drive.
You want to order mail order brides?
Siri, final drive.
Johnny Five was a robot in the 1987 movie Batteries Not Included.
Oh, final drive.
Vinyl sides. Did you mean vinyl siding?
Vinyl siding?
Did I stutter?
No! You know what, Siri? Your problem is you don't listen. I'm gonna dump you and go to Alexa. What do you think about that?
Oh, that's cute, but we both know you can't quit me, baby.
Oh, really? Oh, forget it, Siri. What was the name on that truck that just drove by? Hey, Siri, call ConEquip Parts.
You are finally making sense.
Yeah, is this ConEquip Parts? Yeah, I need an Excavator final drive. Oh, okay, thanks.
Look out the window, Al. If you need an Excavator final drive, call ConEquip Parts. Delivery time is fast, but usually not 5 seconds.